Hi there. Just thought I'd do something a little bit different. Been kind of bored of late, so I decided I'd pick up my balloons. I haven't touched them since July, and that's too long. So just to see if I remember how to do things. Um, if you're going to follow along, you need a 260 balloon. That's a balloon that's 2 inches around in diameter, about 60 inches long when it's inflated. You can use a hand pump. You can find them at Walmart, dollar store. You can find these balloons. These are Qualitex balloons, but you can find them lots of places online as well as Walmart in our area. Some dollar stores have them as well as party stores, so check it out. I'm going to use my Filbert pump, which I really enjoy and I love. And if you can use a hand pump, and you can find those at the same places I just mentioned. So we're going to take the pump. I'm going to place it over the nozzle of the balloon. I'm going to blow it up, and I'm going to have about one spread hand uninflated. Tie the balloon any way you can. If you can't tie balloons, get your mom or dad to do it, or do whatever you can to learn. So we always start with the end with a knot, not this end, the end with a knot. I'm going to hold it off to the side. I hope you can see this. I'm going to have to play around with my colors and see which colors look best on the screen. Not the best shirt to use today. This is a coral color that I'm using. I'm going to fold it over. It's about 2 hands widths, but in the midway point, I'm going to squeeze. This is going to be the ears. I'm going to squeeze, I'm going to twist, and as I twist, I kind of pull it away a little bit. So twist and pull, 1, 2, 3, and you've done the ears of your dog. Get an estimate of what your neck is going to be. Right about here is where my neck is. I'm going to fold the balloon over. So again, I know the neck is going to be right here. That's where I'm going to squeeze. So I have a neck, and then the rest. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And so far we have this going on. I like to make the body appropriate for whatever size balloon I'm going to do. I squeeze the balloon a little bit. You could probably start it with a little bit more air. My body's going to be longer than the neck, just a little bit. And I'm going to guess. I want my front legs and back legs to match. And again, I'm going to squeeze. So you squeeze the balloon and you go ow, ow, ow. Because if you were twisting something, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, just because I can already see that that's not the best. Ow, ow, ow. If someone was twisting your legs, you'd be making that sound too. I'm not sure a dog would, but that's it. So there's your dog. Simple, easy, not too hard to do, really easy to make. 3 loops is all it is. And that's the standard, really quick line balloon dog that you want to make. If you want to play around, you can make this into a puff. I like to grab it and squish. Just pull it a few times. That makes this area weak. Hold the tail to not let the air go up, as you can just see there. I'm going to go close. Try to keep it down, but you want the air to get through it, and you just kind of push, and you'll get your poodle tail. My proportions are a little off. Again, I need to get back doing these things. That's part of the reason for doing today's video. Thanks for joining me. Hope you have fun. This is how you do the balloon dog. So get out there, buy your balloons, and there's no reason why you can't do this too. Thanks. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to see more balloons, get in touch with me at hallelujah@hallelujah.ca, and I'll see what I can do about making a balloon that you would like to see.